Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I'm Siman. I'm from TBIA 5th semester. Here, I'm going to make a summary, such as about the material from the first meeting till the fifth meeting that's taught by Mr. Wahab Syahirul Amin MPD. Okay. I start from the first meeting, namely about the introduce to psycholinguistics. What is psycholinguistics? Psycholinguistics is the science of human, or we can call that the knowledge of human behavior and mental process. Okay, this is the about the definition of psycholinguistics. Now, what is here? we have two questions. Namely, the first is about behavior. What is behavior? Behavior is anything we do. We can call that anything that we do in our single day. Yeah. What is it? Behavior over actions and reactions. Okay. Mental and the second is about the mental process are our internal differences. Namely, it is about our thoughts, or about memories, feelings, and others. Okay. In another words, we can quote that, or we can define the psychology as an empirical science or scientific study of behavior and mental process. So here the psychology talk about the behavior or mental process, right? So psychology, we can quote that, is an empirical science or a psychological science realized or empirical influence as way or knowing about how we think or how we feel or how we behave. Okay. We can continue our discussion, my summary, about the psycholinguistic. This is a little explanation about the psychology itself, and now I can give the explanation from myself. Psycholinguistic is study of the mental mechanism that make it possible for people to use language. This is the conclusion from me. Okay, we can continue, or we come to the next the next material, namely in the second meeting about neurolinguistics. Okay, if we talk about this, of course it is the one of the part of psychologists that study of linguistic train relations. Yes, it's the final goals is the comprehension and explanation. Okay. Explanation here of the natural basis for language knowledge and use. Neurolinguistic is by its nature an interdisciplinary enterprise. Instead, the borders between linguistic and other disciplines that are conducted to the study of the mind, brain, mainly cognitive psychology, neuropsychology, and cognitive neuroscience. Okay. We come to the next topic or the next material in the third meeting, namely about the literalization of brain. Literalization of brain structure. Here it is talking about the structure of brains, right? And it is also based on general trends expressed in healthy patients. However, there are numerous contrasts example to each generalizations. Okay. The next. Each human's brains develops differently, leading to unique literalization in individuals. This is different from civilization. Okay, so the literalization is different with civilization. As literalization refers only to the functions, one of structure divided between two hemispheres. And civilization itself is much easier to observe as a trend. Science has stronger anthropological history. Okay, we come to the fourth meeting, namely about the aphasia. I'm sorry, I think the material that I delivered from just now, it is it is not as like from the first meeting, second meeting, third meeting, fourth meeting, or till the fifth meeting. It is it is not regularly. I'm sorry, sir. So we are going to the next topic or the next material, namely about the aphasia. Aphasia is well known that is a language disorder caused by damage suffered to certain portions of the brain that are involved in language perception and productions. Depending upon the area that is affected, a person suffering from aphasia may be able to speak fluently but not coherently. And this okay, this is the explanation about the aphasia. So here we come to the next, the last material from Mr. Wahab Sairul Amin MPD. So, namely about about language center. Okay, what is language center? Usually, language centers refers to collectively, right? Namely to collectively to the areas of the brain which serve a particular function for speech processing and productions. Okay. That's all from me. If I get many mistakes, I'm sorry, sir, because this is the background of my video, so I am sorry. Okay, thank you Abans for Mr. Wahab Zahirul Amin LPD as a lecture of psychology in the 5th semester. Okay, thank you so much for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.